Okay, everyone, welcome to week 3. We're going to start off, of course, writing our name. So I'm going to write my name, Mrs. Kim. And today is April 27th, 2020. I might be a little off of the date here. But let's read the instructions. It says, make a 10 to solve. Use a math drawing to show what you did. Write the 10 plus fact. So what we're going to do today is look at the numbers, number sentences, and we're going to try to make 10 with the first number. It should be a 9 today we're going to be working with, so that we can make solving the problem much more easier. Okay, so let's take a look at what's been done here. It says 9 plus 4 equals blank. So what we're going to look at is the 9 right here. We're going to see how we can make that a 10 plus fact. And we know that 9 plus 1 will equal a 10. So what we're going to do is take apart the 4 and make it into 2 parts. We know if we take 1 out, we have 3 left, knowing that 1 and 3 make 4. So if you see here in the boxes, you wrote 1 and 3. And then they circled the 9 plus 1 because that is the 10 plus 1 fact, 9 plus 1 fact, which equals the 10 plus fact. If you look here, we'll have 10 and then 3 more. And then we go 10, you can count up, 11, 12, 13. Or you can just know that there's 1 10 in the tens place and the 3 ones for 13. We can also draw our 10 into the 10 frame, making sure that we only have 10 circles when we draw into the box, and the remaining circles go outside. So in the beginning, we had 9 circles. So we color in 9 circles, and then we have 4 more. We only make 1 more into the box because only 10 fit in here. And then we make 1, 2, 3, 4 to show us the plus 4. Then easily we can see with our eyes that this is a 10 and 3 more. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. And you should trace this as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the first problem. Oop, Ms. Kim didn't trace that very well. Let's get that done really well. Okay, the first problem says 9 plus 5. So what we're going to do is take apart the 5 to make a 9 a 10 plus fact. We know that 9 plus 1, like the previous problem, will make a 10. So this will make a 10 plus fact. And then we know that if we take 1 out of 5, a 1 and a 4 will make a 5. If you don't know this just off the top of your head, which means you just know it, you can count on to see how many more you need. Say we're supposed to make a 5. We have 1, so we count on 2, 3, 4, 5. And you see we have 4 fingers, so we write 4 here. Then we know that 10 and 4 make 14. Or you can say there is 1 10 and 4 ones. To help you, we're going to also use the 10 frame box to solve the problem. The first number was 9. So how many circles do we need to draw in the 10 frame? You're right, 9. So these I'm going to color in. You don't have to do a good job at that. Just do a little bit of coloring. We're going to count as we color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're not going to go further here because we want to make it 5 and 5 like a 10 frame. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we know that we can't fit more than 10 in this box, but we need to draw 5 more circles. So we're going to draw the 5 because it says plus 5, which means 5 more. These will not be circled. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Then we know that automatically this box has 10. So we write 10 and then plus, and we see 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4. You should be getting better at just looking and knowing without having to count these circles. 10 plus 4 equals 14. We have 1 10 in the tens place and 4 ones. You could also count on by saying 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and write 14. Okay, hopefully that has helped you. Next time I want to